Graphic designers use .eps files for crisp vector logos. It usually requires Adobe Illustrator to edit, but you can view it for free. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here are the compatible viewers for Windows. Note on preparation. Make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the EPS file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. The structure of an EPS is primarily defined as a component of the vector image file standard. Data is compiled using the Encapsulated PostScript File format. The EPS Encapsulated PostScript File is a vector graphics file format used in professional graphic design and printing. It contains a complete description of an illustration or layout, including color profiles and font information, designed for high-resolution print output. Developed by Adobe Systems, the format is based on the PostScript language. Its design is hierarchical. It includes both the high-quality PostScript vector instructions for printing and a lower-resolution preview image for display. While viewers can show the preview, specialized software like Adobe Illustrator is required to access and edit the vector data. The most widely recognized opener for EPS is unequivocally Adobe Illustrator CC from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows reveals only flattened previews, so the editable structure must be opened in vector tools. We are performing a vital check of your system's software. Right-click your EPS file and choose Open With. Test with Adobe Illustrator CC first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple compatibility swap. If the EPS file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of 3 easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the 3 main culprits and their verification steps. First, use vector graphics software. Open the file using professional vector editing programs like Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, or the free alternative Inkscape. Next, import into Raster Editor. Open Adobe Photoshop, select File. Open a Smart Object and choose the .eps file for viewing heart placement. Finally, use Online Viewer. If no software is available, upload the file to an online EPS viewer or Google Drive to preview the image. Once it's clear that the EPS file needs more than a simple app claim, you're ready for industry-recommended software. The next solution is built to handle exactly this kind of challenge, so it's worth a shot. Stop letting Windows tell you the file is wrong. FileMagick has the unique ability to display content instantly, even when the EPS extension is missing or incorrect. Download it now at filemagick.com. Make sure you've bookmarked this video. If you found this solution valuable, please like and subscribe to help us grow the channel.